Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with quite a complicated equation type question, and I'm going to get straight into it. Now the first thing we need to try and do is make this thing look a little simpler. At the moment we've got these nasty brackets that are being squared, and typically BODMAS calls for us to simplify the brackets and then the exponents, but we can't do anything inside the brackets because they are unlike terms. So we're going to multiply out the brackets. We could use FOIL, but because you know the special shortcut, we're going to use the special shortcut to save us some time. So the first thing we do is, if we look at this bracket here, we're going to say square the first term, which is x squared, square the last term, which is 4, and then we multiply the two together and we double them, which would then be minus 4x. And we can just write the plus 3x minus 2. On the right hand side we do the same thing. We square the first term, which is x squared, we square the last term, which is 9, and then we multiply and double the two terms together, and that's going to be plus 6x. Now what's useful, we've got an x squared on both sides, which we can cancel out, and now we need to collect all of our variables to one side and all of our constants to the other. So I'm going to circle all of our variables in blue, and it's going to be that, and that. And I'm going to circle all of our constants in green, which is going to be that, and that. Brilliant. Now we need to bring all of our variables to the left-hand side. So we've got a minus 4x, which is going to stay, plus the 3x, which is also going to stay. We've got a positive 6x, which we need to subtract 6x from the right-hand side, which then means we need to do the same thing on the left-hand side, and that is all of our variables done. Then we move on to our constants. We've got a 9 that already exists on the right-hand side. We've got a positive 4, which we need to subtract on the left-hand side, which is then going to become negative 4. And we've got a negative 2, which needs to be added to the left-hand side. So therefore, we've got an added 2 on the right-hand side. Now we can simplify these. So we've got minus 4x, minus 6x, which is going to give us minus 10x, plus 3x, which is going to give us negative 7x. So that's negative 7x. And then we've got 9 minus 4, which is going to be 5, plus 2, which is going to give us 7. We then need to divide by negative 7 on both sides, and that's going to leave us with x is equal to negative 1. Remember, you can always check that this answer is correct by plugging the negative 1 into where the x value is on both sides and making sure that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Never move on in a test if you haven't done that check, because there are marks for free. That's all from me, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.